I mean, a lot of people are talking about Christmas already. Christmas things I'm starting to put out in the supermarket already, so you know what I mean. Merry Christmas to every one of you guys. It's sort of weird, but I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. When you go in the supermarket, the whole supermarket is loaded with Christmas things. Anyway, so I'll make sure to take out my Christmas, what do you call it? This is my Christmas raisin. You know what I mean? So please let me know if you guys want me to make my Christmas cake a little bit earlier. As you guys can see, to make a black rum cake. Here it is. This been soaking over the last 2.5 years with red wine, Jamaica, and white rum. Alright? This is not something to play about with. Okay? Yeah, man. So things looking good, and that's we've been soaking it with the raisin and rum. So, vibes. Alright? Full video will be on my YouTube channel.